Hello friends. Till now we understand various functions, various concepts of Excel, and now we are able to utilize those functions, those facilities in our daily work, right? So today we will learn about a very impressive feature of Excel, and it's very easy, and we can call it as a pattern fill, or sometimes it is being called as flash fill. Basically, it's a pattern fill, and Excel follows the pattern which it learned through previous set of commands, right? So we just start with it, right? So pattern fill, for pattern filling we have a shortcut as Control plus E, right? So we will do this Control plus. So whenever you will press Control plus E, system will follow previously defined pattern and just copy that pattern and fill the remaining cells, right? Let's see with that an example. So in this example, first example, we can see, right? So here we have SQ codes of some items, right? And suppose we want to get values, first four values of this particular SQ code, then, and if it is having multiple records like hundreds or thousand records, then it is very difficult for us that we we just read 2139 or 2140 or 6541 and correctly it is being written in this, like this, right? So it is quite difficult, but Excel have one feature as Control E or pattern fill. Through this we can do that thing. So let's see, if I want to know first four values of particular SQ code, then what I will do, I will just type, just try to get learn to Excel that I want first four digits, right? So 2139, and I will press Control plus E. So on pressing Control plus E, you can see that system extracted first four characters or first four digits of this item. What if I want to extract middle four values? Then I will give middle values with this and just press Control plus E. Getting? It's so simple, guys. If I want last four digits, I will press 8956 and Control E. Getting? If I want only last eight digits, then I will click 14718956. That's it. Control E. Getting? So it's very simple. Apart from this numeric values, we can apply this in alphabet or character as well. So in this, if I want only first two characters or first alphabet from month in this month list, then what I will do, I will just press J and Control E. Okay? So on pressing J, and when I press shortcut of Control E, it just follow that pattern and fulfill the details, right? If I want first two alphabets, then I will click J A and Control E, right? If I want last two alphabets, then I need to press R Y and Control E, right? So what you are seeing here, it is showing R Y A R Y. Why it is showing like this? Because it is giving last two alphabets for this value. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in seven characters it is showing value of 6th and 7th. So in any value it is showing 6th and 7th character of this. If I want only last two characters, then I need to give some other information as well. So in first RY, second also RY, and now I will press this. So now Excel learned that I need to give only last two values, irrespective of number of characters, etc. I just need to give last two values. So henceforth it is giving last two values in there. Same thing in like first name and second name. If I want to club those names, so usually I need to follow that concatenate function. But instead of concatenate, we directly give this feature of we can directly use this feature of control E, like Surinder and Komawar, right? And control E. Vikas Dubey, Vinay Dubey, Divya Sharma, Jay Kumar, Gaurav, everything is coming, right? And what if I give like Vendra and Kumar, control E. See, so when I give first character as capital in both of first and second name, then system has followed that pattern as well, right? So it's very simple, right? I think so through this interesting feature, we can easily teach Excel to follow the pattern and can ease our work. I hope now you understand the concept of pattern filling. Hence, enjoy this feature in your daily work. If you like this video and its content, please like and share with your friends. And also, if you have any doubt, any query, then drop that in comment section. Thank you and bye bye.